Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to view disk space and how it is used in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select System from the left side list. Go to Storage. You will see information about your system disk. You can see the total size of the disk and how much of it is free. Click on Show More Categories. You can see what type of files, apps take space in your storage. You can click on Refresh to see the up-to-date information. You can click on Storage Sense. Here you can enable or disable automatic user content cleanup. You can also configure cleanup schedules. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!